Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share it to you on how you can fix the Windows display error. So this is for both the Windows 10 and Windows 11. And I'm going to share it to you different methods. So you just need to watch the whole video and try as to what method or solution will best work for you. So let's go quick into it. First is you need to try to restart your Windows. Make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows because once you restart your Windows, that will refresh all the system processes and programs on your Windows. So try and restarting first. Then for the next method, we also need to make sure that the graphics card driver on our Windows is updated. So go ahead in the Windows search bar, type device, manager. That will appear under the best match, so just go ahead and click on that. Now here in the device manager window, you need to locate the display adapter. So this is where you can find your graphics card driver. So you might be having the AMD or the Nvidia graphics card driver. Well, the process is just the same. All you have to do is make a right click and then select update driver and then search automatically for drivers. Now the best drivers for your device are already installed. Simply close this window and just restart your Windows afterwards. Make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. Then for the next method is go ahead in the Windows search bar, type system configuration. That will appear under the best match. Click on that. Then here you have to click on the services tab. Then check this box, hide all Microsoft services. Click on disable all. Before you can click on apply, click on the start app. Click on open task manager. Now change the status from enabled to disabled so that you will know what are the startup apps enabled on your Windows. And what you can do, you just need to simply make a right click and then select disable to disable all the unnecessary startup programs on your Windows, and then close this window. Click on apply, click on OK, and then click on the restart button. And for the next method is we can also run the Windows security scan to check for any threats and viruses. So type security in the Windows search bar. You'll find Windows security under the best match. Now you have to click on virus and threat protection. Click on scan options. Here you can go with quick scan if you're in a hurry, but this will just check for some areas on your Windows where threats are commonly found. So I suggest that you need to go with full scan because this will check the entire system or your entire Windows. Click on scan now. Now this will really take some time, but the case is you can simply minimize this window and then do your other task on your Windows. So there's no problem for that. And just simply go back into this, scan progress, and then once completed, close out of here and just need to restart your Windows afterwards. Then we can also run the system file checker scan to check for corrupted system files. And aside from it will check for corrupted system files, it will also repair and fix the corrupted system files. So go ahead in the Windows search bar, type CMD. Click on run as administrator in the right pane. Now type here sfc space / scan now. It's sfc space / scan now, hit enter. Now the process will begin, so you just need to wait for the process to be 100% completed. And once 100% completed, close this window and just restart your Windows afterwards. And for the next method, we can also run the Windows Memory Diagnostic tool. So press the Windows key and letter R button together to open the run window. Type here mds ched.exe, mdsched.exe. Click on OK. The Windows Memory Diagnostic window will appear. Simply click on this option, restart now, and check for problems, and that's it. So if any of the solutions helped you in fixing the issue, kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.